On June 19, 2021, at around 10:15 p.m., officers were dispatched to a check welfare call in the 500 block of West Carlyle. Officers had information that a female in a home on that block might be in danger, was yelling for help, and her daughter was afraid after an altercation with a male suspect. When officers arrived, they attempted to locate the suspect to ensure the females in the home were safe.
Put the gun down. Put the gun down.
The suspect fired 2 rounds. The officers took cover and alerted others via radio that shots were fired. Multiple officers then began arriving on scene to assist. One arriving officer was shot multiple times and taken to an area hospital by other officers in critical condition. Responding officers continued to receive fire from the suspect. In all, the suspect fired 18 rounds from a rifle, striking 1 patrol car and 3 homes in the area.
We got more shots fired.
The suspect moved to the front of the house while firing and was shot by an officer. He was pronounced deceased on scene.